started taking the trim off this window and realized that there's nothing attaching it to the building besides the trim. It just came right out. It just popped right out of there. The plan is to cut straight down here, cut this side here out, and I come over here and cut this side. You'll be able to see that line I've already drawn there to get my 38.5 inch wide opening 82 inches tall in order to put our new door in right here. So that's the plan for today. I got to get a door put in here so I can get in and out of this place. It's going to be interesting. What I did here is I went back on the inside and I drilled holes. You can't really see the little hole, but I measured everything out and I drilled a hole where I needed the side of the wall to be. Got a hole here. You can see just a little bitty small hole, don't get carried away. And then the top hole, which is 82 inches. Should be right here somewhere. Oh, right here. So I got one for the top that I had just measured right there. And then there's another one here. The reason why those look so like clean drilled and these don't is because, see, these here kind of closed up. These walls are saturated with water, so they're like waterlogged. Now they say this T111 siding is waterproof, weatherproof, and all that stuff, but if that soaks into that board like that, it's not good for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark another line here and then cut that with a skill saw up to here and then cut it across and back down. That way I can pull that section out and re-brace it all up for the door. Got that cut out. Next thing I need to do is take all this out. I'm basically going to just cut that off. Just cut them off, get them out of the way. See what we can do here. rest of this is going to be interesting. I got to get all this out of here without tearing that top up. Well, at least I ain't got to walk around now. I gotta ask myself a question. Is it worth it to try to separate these two boards here? I don't know if you can see it the way the light is. Is it worth it to separate these two boards or just take them out and put new ones in? That's a good one. Let me give it some thought. Okay, so it turned out easier just take that whole board out. Now I'll just have to replace it. Got my opening there. Now, just got to rebuild it. Here we go. What I decided to do is just rip all that out and not keep any of it, except for this piece right here. Cut this one here 80.5 for the jackboard to hold the header up here at the top. So when I put these in here, I'll basically go in there like that, and then another board to go across the top. And of course, that's the top, nail the top of the door frame together. Get them put in there, put the pieces across the top, and we'll be ready for a door. All right, we got the door here. We got it framed in. We got the header across the top. Both sides framed in. We're getting ready to put the door in. I got a little helper here with me. He may help me just a little bit. But we got to get this door put in. The door is there. Got it installed. Once I got it in, I made some little wedges to put behind the door to close the gaps up. Let's put an old doorknob on there just to keep it shut while we're still working on it. It shuts pretty good. It's got a pretty good gap there. Still need to cut some for the top. I had some regular wedges, but these here work a little bit better when you do it like that. So now the next step is putting the storm door up. This door came with options. Maybe that bit inside there like that will stop the kids from tearing it up so easy. Next thing we've got to put in here is this storm door. They're not too hard to put up, depending on your skill level. I do know a few people that's bought these and opened them up and got scared and didn't want to put them together. I'm going to try to go through it the whole way and show you how easy it is.